Okay, today we're on 3.4, exercise 3.4, question 7a. Okay, first they say represent the data in the table of the milk, noodles, protein, fat, carbohydrates in a 2x3 matrix. Simple enough question. So a 2x3 matrix gives me this. Okay, not much there to say, so simple enough. That is 7a. 7b, okay, they tell us that the boy drinks 3 packets of milk and 2 servings of noodles. Write 1x2 matrix. So 1 row, 2 columns is 3 and a 2. And that is matrix T. Okay, 7c. For 7c, what they want us to find is to use matrix multiplication. So we have to decide, right, whether we can multiply n to t or t to n. Okay, let's just see. N is a 2x3 matrix. This t is a 1x2 matrix. Let's study if it's possible if I multiply n to t. If I try n to t is a 2x3 multiplying to a 1x2 matrix. This one we cannot multiply because the center number is different. Okay, 3 and 1. So this one cannot be multiplied. So we'll try t to n now. T to n, it will be a 1x2 matrix to a 2x3 matrix. You will see the middle number is the same. So the resulting matrix will be a 1x3 matrix. So this one, it can be done. So let me put it there, Tn. So alright, Tn is equals to 3 by 2. Okay, we got this whole chunk here. And we know that it's a 1 row 3 column matrix. So it's 1, 2, okay, 1, 2, 3. Now that this guy, row 1, column 1. Row 1, column 1. So right and dive, we get 3 times 6 plus 2 times 11, and we get 40. This one, row 1, column 2. Row 1, column 2. 3 times 7 plus 2 times 22. Okay, what I get is 65. Last one, row 1, column 3. 3 times 10 plus 2 times 59. Eventually I get 148. Okay, now if we use a bit of brain here, okay, what we get is this one, 40, right, will represent the amount of protein, 65 is the amount of fat, and 148 is the amount of carbohydrates. So basically, the boy has eaten 40 grams of protein, 65 grams of fat, and 148 grams of carbohydrates. And that is question 7. Now let's move on to question 8. Okay, question 8. The hourly wages for the clerks are 20 and 30. Okay, represent the working hours of the clerks by matrix A. Okay, so matrix A, the working hours is simply equals to, just like a table, we copy everything down. Okay, 587. Okay, now they say B is 20 and 30. So basically, they tell us that we have to use matrix multiplication, alright, and then they say that the matrix must be possible such that the matrix AB exists. So A is 3 rows by 2 columns. Okay, so B, right, since it's 20 and 30, it can either be a 1x2 or 2x1 matrix. But remember that, okay, if AB, if matrix multiplication is possible, the middle numbers must be the same. So instead of a 1x2, it must be a 2x1 matrix like this. So if we wrote it as a 1x2 matrix, then it cannot be multiplied. So therefore, by logic, it must be a 2x1 matrix. So it's 2 rows by 1 column. Okay, so my B will be 20 and 30, like this. Okay, finally, okay, what we do is find AB. So part B, AB will be equals to then B. So 3 by 2, 2 by 1, the resultant matrix is a 3 by 1 matrix. Okay, so 3 by 1, 3 rows, 1 column. So okay, put dot, dot, dot. Okay, first guy, row 1, column 1, so it's row 1, column 1. 40 times 20 plus 5 times 30. Okay, so what I get is 950. Here, row 2, column 1. Row 2, column 1. 45 times 20 plus 8 times 30. Okay, what we get is 1140. Last one, row 3, column 1. Row 3, column 1. 36 times 20 plus 7 times 30. What we get is 930. Okay, now they also ask us to interpret the results in AB. Okay, so basically, right, in the end, right, this one 40 and 5 represents the Clark Farah. So 40 times 20 gives her her pay for working regular hours, and 5 times 30 actually gives her the pay for working overtime. So that will be 40 times 20 plus 5 times 30 gives you 950. So it means that, right, Farah earned $950 for working for the week. Similarly, this 1140 is the pay for Vani, and this is the pay for Susan. So let's put it down into English, okay, to answer the question. So basically, the wages of Farah, Vani, and Susan in the week are 950, 1140, and 930 respectively. And that's it for question 8C, and these are the examples I gave you for exercise 3.4. And thank you for watching.